We back to the eating growing part 3. I say, what a beautiful day. Kill honeybird. Oh no, begin to bigger. Oh no. No flower, What? This is a stupid job. This is a stupid job. What is it? Kill a whale. It's too big to eat. It's too big to eat. Eat a home. Tall home. Taller home. Taller home. You're going to eat a taller home. Eat a home. Eat the house, big house. I'm going to eat the whale. Oh no, poor whale. Oh no. Oh no. You're going to eat on the big city. No. There's King Kong. There's a 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 King Kong. Oh my God, there's a giant King Kong. There's a King Kong. What are you going to do to get eaten? I go to the part 4. I go using Godzilla. A day. What is pretty good twice? Oh no, you're going to eat the airplane. Yes, the jumbo jet. Oh no, you're going to eat the jumbo jet. You're going to eat the buildings? You're going to eat the buildings. You're going to eat the buildings. You're going to eat the King Kong. Oh my God. You're going to much bigger.